Hi. Okay, you're here for some more Fundations. And it's Unit 7, Week 2, Day 3. We're going to start off, we're going to review our sounds, but we're going to do it just a little bit differently than we normally do. And by that, I'm going to show you the card, but all I want you to say is the sound. Okay, so look at the card, tell me the sound. Ung. Look at your card. Ang. What's it say? Unk. What's it say? An. Ink. Unk. Ank. Good deal. Okay, today we have a word of the day. Here's your word of the day. Think about how are you going to tap this out? What are you going to say? Thinking. Okay, so I see a consonant first, but I do see a glued sound, and I know that I-N-K says ink. And I know that when I tap this word out, I'm going to have to glue my fingers together. So let's tap our word of the day together. Ink. Link. Very good. What does it mean to link something? Link. When I think of link, I think of chain links. And a chain link, you put the chains together like this, and now they're connected. So link means to connect. How would I mark this word up? I would put a box around my glued sound. Very good. Okay, we're going to come here, and I have some cards. Now, these ones are a little bit different because they don't have the pictures on them, but we're going to practice saying all of it even without the picture. So you can say it with me. W-H whistle w. C-H chin ch. S-H ship sh. T-H thumb. C-K sock k. A-L-L ball all. A-M ham am. A-N fan an. And now we're going to get to our new glued sounds. And so since these are new, I want to say it, and then you're going to say it after me. So my turn, your turn. Here we go, my turn. A-N-G, bang, ang. Your turn. All right, my turn. A-N-K, bank, ank. Your turn. My turn. I-N-K, pink, ink. I-N-G, ring, ing. O-N-G, song, ong. O-N-K, honk, onk. U-N-K, junk, unk. U-N-G, lung, ung. Oh my goodness, did you hear me just about forget that one? That was crazy. All right, something we haven't done in a while too is this vowel extension. So remember when we do this, we say A, and then we hold the sound out while I trace along the line until we get to the end. We say the word. So A, apple, a. Next one, E, ed, e. I, itch, it. O, octopus, ah. U, up, up. Awesome! Okay, let's practice some trick words. What's this word? Were. Keep going. Are. Who. What. When. Where. There. Here. To. Why. By. My. Put. Try. Good job. Okay, so we're going to keep working on those 8 new glued sounds that we have learned. Today, though, I'm going to build the word, and you are going to tap it out with me, and you're going to say the word. So you don't need anything to write on today. My first word, I'm going to put this up, and then this word. Okay, tap it with me. Ank, rank. Good job. And if I wanted to mark this up, I get my pen out, and I put a box around my glued sound. Cool, cool. Okay, next one. Tap it with me. Ang, bang. Mark it. I put a box around my glued sound. Make sure you're telling me what to do. Good job. Next word. All right, let's tap it. Ing, sing. Tell me how to mark it. Good job. All right, let's keep going. Tap it with me. Ol, ong, long. And how do I mark this up? Put a box around that glued sound. You guys know what you're doing. What's this word? Let's tap it. Ung, hung. And how do I mark this word up? Put a box. Good job. Man, you guys are some smart first graders. We're going to keep going. All right, you ready to tap? Ink, meek. How do I mark it? Box that glued sound. Good job. Make sure we always put that box around it. Okay, tap with me. Onk, bonk. Get bonk my head. How do I mark this word up? Put a box around it. Good job. All right, last one, and this one's going to be a little bit trickier. Let's see if we can use all of our brains on it. All right, let's tap it. Unk, stunk. Very good. I still have to put a box around my glued sound. The tricky part about this one was at the beginning I have a consonant blend. And so I underline each consonant in that consonant blend. Awesome job, first graders. And that's all for today. We'll see you tomorrow.